Hi guys, I'm K9 Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to do a salute on mustard pancakes. Why? Because I love that show with the burning passion, because I love dogs. Enjoy the video. Mustard pancakes. Yes, this show rocks. And this show involves 3 dogs and a cat, and they like to go on awesome adventures together. Mr. D is adorable, and a type of breed of that dog. It looks like a Airedale Terrier. This brown dog looks really cute, and it looks like a dark chocolate lab. It looks like a chocolate lab. This dog is really cute, but I don't know what the dark brown one's name and this one's name. It looks like a beagle. And this gray one is a cat, but I don't know what the gray cat's name. I'm going to check his name. And I think that gray cat's breed, it looks like a Scottish fold, I guess. I guess that gray cat is a Scottish fold. The plots of the show are pointful. The animations are awesome. Do you know who likes that show? Me. But I don't know who hates this show. I'm gonna check the gray cat's name. Oh, that gray cat's name is Courtney. I think that gray cat's name is Courtney. Yep. So I really love the show with the burning passion. The plots of the show are pointful. The animations are awesome. And I like that show. I really love the show. But I don't know who hates the show. So Mustard Pancakes rocks. And so does Strange Hill High. Rain sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.